What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Infraction 6S. Really do nothing special to it besides putting my Phillyswords RC logo on the tires. But what I want to do today is all stock, no upgrades, except for the servo. It's a digital servo. The rest of it is all stock. What I want to do, I want to not really test it. I haven't drove it in a while. I just want to check it out to see how I drive. I'm not going to do no speed test. It's got a lot of dust on it, so I don't really mess with this like that. But what I want to take it out for a drift, testing the drift. See can I drift this thing? Yeah, I want to take it out just to run it real quick. Nothing really special. I always wanted an Infraction, and I finally got one. But this is old, so I've been had this, but I really wanted this truck, and I want to just take her out for a spin, see how she handles. The body look good. The tires look bald. So I'm lying when I say you look good. My logo gives it more grip. Just because my logo on there, my name is on there, gives the tire much more grip. But let's get into it real quick. Nice and straight. These some tires though. Ooh. Done broke the splitter. Thing, man, is a beast. I just need to get some better tires. Knock the battery loose. Oh, I done smacked the body up. Like when people out there. I need some new tires. That's about it. This car is pretty good. Tire nice and sticky. Don't hit. That's a skill right there. Oh, that takes skill. Hey. Wanted to take out for a quick drift real quick. Need some tires. Some tires is done. Well, yeah, they done. They definitely done. But as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out. Peace.